We will learn about Linux navigation. So how can we see the current working directory where we are? To see the current working directory we will use pwd. It will show the current working directory. How can we see the list of current working directory files and folder? To see the list of current working directory we will use ls command to see the list of working directory. How to change the current working directory? To change the current working directory we will use cd command. Cd means change directory, and we will use, for example, we will go to the development, so we will use development. You can see the development directory. How can we change back to the previous directory? So we can see the development list directory, we can see here. To go back to the previous directory we will use cd space dot dot. It will go back to the previous working directory. How can we see the specific directory list directory? For example, clear, it will clear the command. ls, it will show the current list of files and folder. For example, we'll have to see the list of downloads. We'll have to see the list of download files and folders, so we'll use ls and then we'll use downloads. Then it will show the what are the files and folders available in download directory.